Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sakwasendoda lesukoko bathini bathi uma uvula uvala emzini nama emadoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. The question is, Gogo, is there a dangerous scoop? Yes. Gogo, is scoop for everyone? No. I've promised myself that I must limit talking about iscope until maybe I have new method of iscope. And here I am back again. I don't have a new method as yet. The methods that I have are the ones that I had years ago. Yes, in terms of the ingredients, I always try to be up my standard in terms of the ingredients, which is controlled by each and everyone's clients' challenges when they took iscopo. This one's took iscopo, it worked until this time. This one, whatever, it differs. So for that thing that I add, I wouldn't say it's a new concept of iscopo. My concept are the ones that I spoke about on old videos regarding ecopo. But the reason I'm doing this one is I had a lot of inquiries from you guys, the subscribers, the viewers, in terms of saying, Gogo, can you please comment about this? Can you please comment about this? Guys, please don't do that. I don't criticize people's opinion when it comes to anything. Not just Igbo, but just anything. I'm very careful. If you can notice on my videos, I only talk about somebody else if I really agree with them. If I don't agree with somebody, I don't talk about it. And it doesn't mean if I don't comment about other videos, I don't agree with them. No. I agree with the video that I find it necessary at that particular time, and I have time to comment about it, and I have time to post it as well. As you know, I don't only post my videos, although I don't post other people's videos a lot, but I do post other people's videos. Subscribers, viewers, visitors on this channel, they said, Gogo, please talk about the dangerous kind of scoop. How can one see? It's difficult to see ukuthi you are now taking a dangerous one. You only see when you realize ukuthi you have taken a dangerous one. Other people will come and say, Gogo, I fetched iscopo. Things went from better to worse. Let's start from better to worse in a general term, because I had people took iscopo from me that had said that. I do. I have people who have said that. I won't lie to you to say I've never had a problem with anyone with iscopo taken on my side. However, what I've realized, because I always say, if you took something from me, my gates, my doors are open. My hands are open to come back to me. Let's sit down. Let's analyze what went wrong. Because there's something that we forget as individuals. The ingredients that we use in isikopo, we don't get them for free. We don't just go to countries and everything, then I get ingredients for free. For one to jump and say, no, it's not working for me, I want a refund. The time you wanted iscopo, it was a private conversation. Others, they will even say to say, Gogo, I don't want my partner to know about this. Gogo, this is me. I don't want it home for them to know about this. And I respect that. I really respect that. However, don't now go and talk about whoever. Don't come to me and say, hey, Gogo, this person that gave me this, it's not working and everything. Then I said, no, he did it wrong or whatever, whatever. Go back to the person, sit down with the person and address to say, Gogo, I don't understand what is happening. This, I see this ever since I took this is what is happening, this is what is happening. The same way as you'll come to me and say, Gogo, exactly where, you see where you touched, don't move. Don't move, Gogo. You are right, you are on point. Don't move. We renew our scope every year. You don't fit it, you don't do anything. And I have people who came after a year, many of them, who said, Gogo, I'm scared. Please just check if everything is still okay. Don't do anything to it. Don't disturb the process. There are those who come and say, Gogo, I've been waiting. I don't see anything going forward. Please assist. I hate such. There are many things that can make Iscopo not to go well. One of the major problems that makes scope not to work is where the scope is. It's where you put it. Okay, let me go back. Not every scope is dangerous, guys. No, that I disagree. Because it depends on each and every individual healer on their ingredients. And I'm not going to come here and say, yeah, other scoop, they're not, they're dangerous because of they add this and this and this. Because you can have somebody that adds this, but it's not dangerous. Then you have a healer too that is adding the same thing, but it is dangerous. It's possible. Yes, it's possible. Because this thing is spiritual. It depends on who gives you isco. As I've said, we need to go to specialists when we need help. When you have a problem with your tooth, you go to a dentist. You don't go to a gynae with a tooth ache to say, hey, gynae, hey, this thing is painful. Hey, I haven't been eating for the whole week. I don't know. It's here. It's here. Don't touch it. And then the dentist will tell you to say, no, if it's swollen, I cannot remove it. I'll give you something that will make you that it mustn't be swollen, and then you can come back and I can take it out. Why is the dentist saying that? Because the dentist is a specialist. He has experience in removing teeth. He cannot just remove teeth. Have you seen people who have never removed teeth? When you say, I've got a toothache, and then, it's swollen, you'll keep. Go remove it. You see, they don't know. So you go to a specialist because of you have learned this thing it has to be done by a specialist. How you have learned, it's because you have been told before, this thing cannot be done because of this. So go take this now and everything, then you'll be fine. That's why the same things applies when it comes to traditional healing. To say, you can come to me. There are people that came to me for the scoop and I told them, you don't need it. You don't need it. Take this one, go work with this. Then they'll come back and say, Gogo, yo, spot on. Sometimes I will say to you, you don't need this for now. Go use this and come back, then you can take it. Sometimes I say, you don't need it at all. There's Ubaba Uxulu, for those whom I've referred to him. Ubaba Uxulu, he stays eMazimeleni. He was a prophet from Shembe Church. He has been shot and killed, and may his soul rest in peace. For those that have referred you guys to him, he is no more. It is sad to announce that in the midst of this video. The reason I'm saying that, it's because I will sometimes say, you need a different cleansing not the one from me with Umuti. Go to phone this gentleman, go to him, do whatever that he says you must do. Tell him I said he must send you back. And Ubaba Xulu will always do that. The same as if you go to him and he thinks go to out of his contacts, I'm the person who can do this, he will phone me and say, Mtia, kukhona engimthumele lapho, please do this for him. And when you are done, you can hand them over back to me and I'll do that. And unfortunately, he is no more. His gods, his ancestors, they've decided to fetch him. He's no more. So iScoop, it works that way, guys. Gogo, iScoop is for everybody? No, it's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. That is why it is important, again, to do your research. Who you are taking iScoop from. And this thing, guys, of you going very far to take iGoop across South Africa. But when you want solutions, if the scoop is no longer working, you come near to somebody in South Africa. There's minimum things that we can do. I am able to assist sometimes on iGoop that were done in the way that when I do consultation, when I search for ingredients on that scoop, then I can realize, I can work with this one. This was a loophole for this one, for it not to work. And I will be able to tell you to say, this one, this one is dangerous. Gogo, is it possible that iScoop, whenever you have iScoop sleeps with you? I have never experienced it. I've heard about it. I've never experienced it. And I've never came across the individual who said to me, Gogo, ever since I fetched iScoop, my wife is complaining, I'm complaining, this thing is sleeping with us. I don't remember. However, I have done a research on such scoop, but the results are not direct the way I was expecting them, the way I've invested so much efforts in my research. Why I'm saying that? On the results on my research says you are given iScoop as a window dressing. However, you are given something else that you cannot see with your naked eyes. It does happen. So you go to Gogo Bathini and said, Nasi iScoop. Kanti there was something behind iScoop that he didn't want to tell you about, which is, I don't think it's fair. It's better that you tell a person to say, this group goes with Ama boys, and these boys, you cannot see them, but you will see the results of the work. For example, there is iScoop that you have to sleep with the multiple partners, whether you are a male, whether you are a female. That's how iScoop Sako eats, by sleeping with a different partners. There is a scoop like that. It's working for other people. I don't have it. However, I know what there are people that have them and it's working. So the fact that I don't have, or I don't know how to do it, because not that I don't have, I really don't know how to do that one. That makes you to go and have different sleeping partners. We are not even partners, because it gives you money, you go, you spend, you sleep, you go, you spend, you sleep. That is your life. So I had clients that comes to me and say, Gogo, this is what I have. It's working for me. However, now I have a B problem. How can you solve that little bit of a problem? Then I solve that problem. But after having a clear instruction from the client to say, Gogo, I didn't even bring my scoop. Don't touch anything that has to do with that scope. I don't have a problem of sleeping around for me to have money. but I'm here for this problem. Other people will come to say, Gogo, I need imbiza that is strong. You know, I need imbiza that is strong, that will give me strength to be able to maintain sleeping with these different women. You know, other people will say, Coco, I feel now I don't have that thing that, facially that can attract these women and everything. I just want something that will be able to assist me on that. Those are the things that I get involved in. But the actual scope, I don't touch it. Yes, there is a scope that needs human blood. I don't have it as well. I've done a research. I've realized Guti, there are a scope like that. We cannot hide that. If we want to fix our country, we cannot hide things. However, I don't have it, and I don't know how the process it's been done, except the issue of killing. Why I'm saying I don't know, I'm not hiding anything. It's because one person will say, ever since he came with this scope, our children are getting missing. This is what is happening. Who died? Who died? Who died? And everything. There are equal like that. So you need to be careful, and you need uphahla. Go and pray to your ancestors and ask them to give you guidance to meet the person that will tell you nothing but the truth. There is a scope that works with ancestors, uphehla amanzi amnyama, to induce the powers on ancestors to work for you alone. There is a scope like that. There is. I have experienced it, I have done it, and I saw it, it's working. There is. Have you seen families lapho uthola khona ukuthi, hey man, yeah, you know, we are a family and we are more or less in the same yard, if not in the same village, close to each other. But there is a particular house that does things separately and differently. There is that scope. There is. So it is important before you embark on a journey to look for this. Please know what you are looking for. I have many people who have came to me to say, Gogo, I need consultation. I'm about to take an A trip to this country for this thing. I want to know how is it going to work out at the end of the day. Others, they just come and say, Gogo, I came here for consultation, and keep quiet. Then I will tell them to say, you are going to embark on a trip. I see your bags being packed. You are leaving the country. You are leaving your province to go to another province to look for wealthy. Indlela zakho zimhlophe. All is well with your ways. Or don't even think about it. And those that have told them don't even think about it, they will tell you, I didn't say come to me. I'm the one that have the best. I've never said that. There is a lady that came. I think I've helped her for 3 or 4 times in different problems that she had at the business, at home, with kids and everything. And the other day, said to me, Gogo, I need scope now. I need this time to get to scope. I said, no, it's fine, and everything. She decided, I'm happy about it. I didn't instruct her, I didn't advise her. She has decided to go and do a research on a scope that she wanted. She was told, don't ever go to that one because the ancestor that is working with Ukoko Batinembata is the one that is going to destroy the scope. It's not going to work because the way you were doing things, it was enough. And she came to me and said, Gogo, I went to do consultation. They said I mustn't even try to take that scope from you because everything that you're doing, it's fine. And I agreed with her, and she's still happy till today. So there is a dangerous group. There is a group that is not dangerous. I'm not going to promote Ikupuzami to say, Ikupuzami, they work this way, they are better here, they what. All I can advise you to do is do a research first before you go on a trip to look for somebody who's going to fix what you did wrong because of you failed to research first. Guys, I know we are living in a difficult times. We want money as in yesterday. I know that. I know that. And that is when the scammers are entering. That is when people that are claiming on social media to book Gogo Batinimbata are using that. There's a guy that is called himself Gogo Batinimbata. I'm chatting with him. He's not even aware on a WhatsApp that he is chatting with me. He's calling himself Gogo Batinimbata. There's rings there, there's watch there, there's a belt there. There's so many things that he claims Uguti Gogo Batinimbata is doing that. And I don't know how people they can buy that while I've never advertised a necklace to say this is a money necklace, this is a ring for what, and people go and buy that. They pay for that. They don't even get it. And this person, if you say to this person, I have money, I want to come to you in person, this person will give you directions, the right directions to my address. And only to be told, no, you're not talking to me. I don't do that. And you'll go back with your money. So we need to be careful, guys, when we're dealing with such things, especially when it comes to e-Gogo. Gogo, is there e-Gogo for the loan sharks? Yes, there is e-Gogo for the loan sharks. Is it working, Gogo? 100% it does work. There is a scope for that. So this scope is this is how it works. I'm talking to the loan sharks now. This is the scope that we are going to talk about. Remember, one of the good e-scope, it has to connect you with your ancestors so that they give you guidance. E-scope basically is to manipulate your ancestors, is to control, is to have control to your ancestors. So it's up to individual to control them in the right way or the wrong way. But it's a fact, it does happen. Because other things we're afraid to talk about because of people will look at me as Kokobatin or I'm advising the wrong thing. It does happen. That's why we get Utisiloiwe not being aware, because we are naive to think with other things they are impossible. Nothing is impossible in this world. So you talk to iScope Sako. For those who don't want to pay you, you go, you open your scoop, you talk to it the way you'll be instructed. I want my money. I want you to think about me. As soon as you have money, I want you to pay me. And there's a scoop that there's something that is being applied on the money. Have you ever had a problem or have seen a person say, you know what, my whole life, ever since I started working, I've started with one mashonisa, and my life is about loan sharks. I take money from this one, I give it to this one. Money from this one, I give it to this one, and everything. Why is that? Scope. Because omashonisa, their way of making money is for you to borrow again. It's not for, they are not running a charity organization or you'll borrow once and it's forever. You come back, you pay, and you go forever. No, they want you to keep on coming. Keep on coming. I've seen now a lot of emotionists, they don't close because of it's December. No, they don't. They know their months of closing to say, no. I want my money in May, I close. I can borrow you money even on a New Year's Eve, but in May, I want all the money and you must pay it. So again, you must understand, if you find yourself going around borrowing money now and again, which means they have used something that made you not to rely on the little you have. You must always want to have money. Other people, they go to Mashonisa to borrow money, not because they don't have money, but they want to have money in their pocket. So it is very important that you consult your healer to say, I need a cleansing, the depth cleansing, so that I don't go around borrowing money even if it is not necessarily. There is a cleansing like that. If you find yourself piling up equally, you owing that one, you owing that one, you owing that one, you owing that one, there is something that sometimes it's been used. You have been bewished to go around, to always suffer for money, to always be in need for money, to be selfish when it comes to issues of money. You know your share is 50 rand. You know your share is 50 rand, but you want to take the whole 100 rand and you want to tell that person's stories. That is a curse that can be cleansing. You need a cleansing for that. Awukwazi sokumkhokha lento lokuthi ukweleta lo ukweleta ona unkile tšhelete ya ona wa lo patala o file tšhelete re mo patale mo lo fitla mo lo patala wena wa re yena ha patala eng so cabana le batho jone this one is that one. You need help for you to heal that. It is curable. You see, when somebody comes and says, Gogo, the way I don't even have money, I can't even buy data because I even owe the network I'm using 200 rand. You are on 200 rand on a phone. Times are tough. Times are tough. But don't make it even tougher for yourself by ignoring the signal. Excuse me. Ignoring the signals to say, no. I cannot rely on these loan sharks all my life. There is a cleansing for that. And so that you are able to deal with them one by one. That cleansing goes with things that will assist you to be able to attract money in the right way. Because it will never be money from heaven. You won't get the money rain. You went there to Kokobatini for that cleansing, or to Kokomsheng or whoever. Now there's a cleansing and everything from above. No, you can't. You can't. Ukoko Kelezo from Tembisa, she's very good on that one as well. The cleansing, when you go to her in Tembisa, just say to her, you came for a cleansing of the loan sharks. Cleansing of the loan sharks. And then she will make you that cleansing, and you'll see Uguti how things are changing at the end of the day. I'm referring you to somebody that I know for sure. There is Umkhulu Mahlang, is in the Northwest. Umkhulu Mahlang. I know for the fact Uguti, he knows how to put together that cleansing that will make you to be a different person. And the good thing about Umkhulu Mahlang Uguti, he used to be a loan shark as well. I'm talking about now a person that he was a loan shark before. So he knows exactly things that used to be used to you guys that you keep on borrowing. And now he has learned the art of to turn it around, to stop borrowing. Koko Kelezo can do it. Koko Mkhulu Mahlang can do it. So it is up to you guys. You can go anywhere. I think even your healer, if you can explain to your healer of what is happening, I think your healer might be able to do that as well. Or your pastor, for that matter, might be able to do that as well. Isalukazi endoda ugogo bathini bathi uma uvula kuvala emzini amadoda u-anti usha umalume wenu ugift. Until we talk again in the near future, please be careful. There's different types of izigubhu. let's be careful. Thokozani.